Meet our fiery little hero, an angry baby bird ready to build his block tower. You're about to see his epic tower grow, block by block. Can he keep his cool, though? Hey, watch that! One wrong move and, oh no, the whole tower's about to tumble. Crash. Blocks scatter everywhere like a colorful explosion in the game zone. Uh-oh, looks like our buddy's mood just fell with his tower. Can you feel the frustration? Pretty real, right? Take a breath with him. Sometimes falling down is just part of the fun. Ready to try again? Watch those tiny wings. This time, careful and steady wins the block battle. You saw it first. Patience builds more than towers. Like, share, and cheer on your favorite builder.